How do you weave personal insights into answers? Imagine you're telling a story that shows your understanding and makes your answer stand out. That's what weaving personal insights into answers is all about. It's not just about facts, but also about sharing your own thoughts and experiences that relate to the question. To do this well, start by making sure you understand what the essay question is asking. Then, think about your own experiences or ideas that connect directly to the topic. These personal insights are your unique feelings, lessons learned, or observations that add a special touch to your answer. For example, if the question is about the importance of teamwork, you might briefly mention a time when working with others helped you solve a problem. Then, explain how that experience gave you a better understanding of cooperation or communication. This shows you're not just repeating textbook facts but also reflecting on what you've learned. When preparing for exams, practice thinking about how your personal experiences relate to the course material. After reviewing key concepts, ask yourself when you have seen these ideas in real life or how they changed your thinking. During the test, take a moment to plan how your personal insight connects to the question. This keeps your answer focused and relevant. It's important to balance personal insights with facts and evidence from your studies. Use your reflections to support your main points, not replace them. For example, if you're discussing a theory, you can add a quick personal example that shows you understand it in action. This makes your answer more interesting and shows your critical thinking. From a test-taking point of view, adding personal insights can make your essay stand out. Just keep your reflections brief, clear, and directly related to the question. Avoid long stories that don't connect back to the main point. To sum up, understanding the question fully helps you know where your personal experience fits. Briefly introduce your relevant experience or thoughts. Then, explain how they influence your understanding of the topic. Connect your insights clearly to the main points and evidence. Practice this during your study sessions so it becomes natural. During exams, keep your personal content concise and focused. This approach not only shows your knowledge but also your ability to think critically and engage personally with the material. It's a smart way to boost your exam success and build resilience in your academic journey.